Welcome to my new playlist all about how to succeed in a math class and other classes too. So this is the introduction of what you can expect in the upcoming videos. Now, I teach math and I have for a lot of years. Started back in '04 and I've been teaching at the collegiate level in some capacity for the last 15 years. Now, over those 15 years, I've taught face-to-face classes, online classes, hybrid, synchronous, you name it, I've probably taught it at some point. And a lot of different math classes. And through all of that, I've learned a lot about the students that succeed in what they do and those that don't. So I'm going to create a series of videos, kind of like best practices of what I've seen. I'm going to break some things down. They're going to be pretty short, hopefully a little comic relief here and there. But the big thing is that hopefully someone will find some of these a little bit helpful. So whether you think you are a phenomenal student or you sometimes struggle, give these a watch. Maybe they will help you cross that finish line a little higher on the grade scale than what you usually think. So here we go. Let's get excited about math and any other course we can think of. So how do we succeed? Well, the first things first, do your work. That's your first tip. But you want to see more? Watch the next videos. Yeah. Oh, and did I say I'm Becky? Thanks, and come back for more.